Most homemade body lotions either feel greasy, separate after a few days, or just don't look professional. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I made this rich, creamy turmeric body lotion that leaves the skin feeling soft, smooth, and naturally glowing. I will also share the simple technique I use to get a stable lotion, so make sure you watch until the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about beginners friendly DIY skincare and commercial soap making tutorials. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Before we start making it, let me show you the final result. This lotion has a smooth, creamy texture, spread easily on the skin, and absorb beautifully without feeling heavy. It feels soft, creamy, and moisturizing, and it leaves the skin with a beautiful, healthy looking glow without making it feel overly greasy. And as you can see, the skin looks smooth and radiant after application. Without wasting time, let's dive in straight into today's tutorial. For the ingredients, I will explain what each ingredient does as we go through the process. Distilled water is the main base of the lotion, providing lightweight hydration. I use 305 grams of distilled water. I use 0.5 grams of xanthan gum. It improves texture and helps keep the lotion stable. Glycerin is a powerful humectant that attracts moisture to the skin. I use 10 grams of glycerin to create a slurry with the xanthan gum before adding it into the water phase. I mix it vigorously to ensure the two ingredients are evenly combined before adding it into the water phase. This stage is very important. Always make sure that your slowly comes out smooth without lumps. The recipe of this production is on the screen. Allantoin is used to help soften and soften the skin. I used 2 grams and I will be adding it to the water phase because it dissolves better in water. And we're making 400 gram batch size of this lotion, by the way. White licorice powder is included for its brightening and even tone skin bend. I use 2 grams and dissolve it with little rose water. I didn't want to heat it up, so I dissolve it inside the rose water and set it aside for cool down phase in order to preserve its natural benefits. Propylene glycol helps attract moisture to the skin and improves the overall feel and ingredient distribution in the lotion. I used 2 grams and I added it to the water phase. Turmeric-infused oil is the star of this formulation, helping to nourish and condition the skin while giving the lotion its beautiful turmeric glow. I used 35 grams of turmeric oil in this production. Rosehip oil helps nourish the skin and gives the lotion a luxurious feel. I used 8 grams of rosehip oil. I used 10 grams of mango butter. It helps provide rich moisturization and softens the skin. Emulsifying wax bring the oil and water phase together to create a stable lotion. I use 16 grams in this particular production. I use 4 grams of cetyl alcohol to give the lotion a smooth, creamy, silky texture. At this stage, our water phase and oil phase are ready. It is now time to heat it up using a double boiling method. If you are getting value from this tutorial, please take a moment and like this video. Drop a nice comment and subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. That is the only way you can support me and encourage me to do more videos like this. Thank you. This is me turning my water phase to ensure that the allantoin is well dissolved before moving to the next stage. The temperature of this production should be kept at 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. That's the best temperature to mix the both phases together. This is me checking the temperature of both phases and it is checked. So it is now time to move on to the next. Here I'm slowly adding my oil phase into my water phase while using the spatula to stir it continuously. It is advisable to use spatula and hand whisk to stir it at this stage. I avoided using the stick blender at this stage in order not to introduce air bubbles into the lotion. If you don't have a stick blender, you can still use the hand whisk to get a good result, because the beauty of every product depends on your ability to mix properly. So you can still use the hand whisk that I'm using here at this point to achieve a good result, but be ready to stir properly. Here I continue using my spatula and hand whisk to mix until it gets to a thick consistency before using my stick blender. This is the stage where the magic happens. The emulsifier helps bind the oil and water together to create a smooth, creamy mix. I didn't do much with this blender because of the air bubbles. I only use it to ensure that all the ingredients are. Here, the temperature of this product has dropped to 37 degrees Celsius. It is not the right time to add the cool down phase ingredient. I added 4 grams of vitamin E. It's an antioxidant that helps protect the oils in this lotion from oxidizing and going rancid. It also helps condition and moisturize the skin, leaving it feeling soft and nourished. I also added the white licorice powder that we dissolve with rose water earlier into the mixture at this stage. For the preservative, I use 3 grams of liquid German plus to extend the shelf life of our product. Don't forget to add your preservative in any product that contains water. It is a very important part that you must not skip. For the fragrance, I use 4 grams of vanilla fragrance in this production. I added it to the product. I also added extra 3 grams of turmeric oil to further enhance the lotion. At this stage, I've added all our cool down phase ingredients, so I use my spatula to turn it before stick blending it for the last time. I'm using the lotion one final blend with my stick blender to make sure everything is thoroughly incorporated and the lotion has a smooth lotion consistency. And here is the final result, my beautiful Turmeric Body Lotion. It has a smooth, creamy texture that glides beautifully onto the skin, leaving it feeling soft, nourished, and beautifully moisturized. This is not a whitening lotion. It is formulated to help maintain your natural complexion while giving your skin a healthy, radiant glow. If you have a damaged skin like bleached skin, this lotion is for you. And there you have it, another commercial style turmeric body lotion formula that you can start making right from home. If you want to learn how to formulate quality skincare products like this and turn your skill into a profitable business, we offer professional training to help you get started. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more quality DIY skincare and commercial style formulations. I checked the pH of this product and it falls at 5.5, which is skin friendly for this product. The next day, and look at our turmeric body lotion. No separation, no oil floating on top, and no water settling at the bottom. Just a smooth, creamy, beautifully emulsified lotion. Look at that gorgeous turmeric glow. Always be good to one another. Thank you for watching. Anticipate my next video. Bye.